Okay. So now we are going to discuss section 26. Okay. So in case of obtaining, controller may treat the patent as patent opponent. So what we just read that in case of post-grant oppositions and pre-grant opposition, there is a clause which says that you can say it's if you read the statement 25A said that the applicant for the patent or the person under or through whom he claims wrongfully obtained the invention, entire invention, or any part thereof from him or from a person under or through whom he claims. So if you can prove that this patent was wrongfully obtained from him and then it was filed. So for example, myself and my friend both are doing some experiment, and then either me or my friend, anyone, what he does that he steals, means I am working on cobalt, he's working on nickel catalyst, but I filed patent on nickel because my cobalt is not working. Okay, or he does the opposite. He files patent on cobalt because nickel was not working, and he files a patent. Then I need to prove that it was wrongfully obtained. He was not working on this. I was working on this. Then we need to submit all the proofs that who was assigned, who was working. All those things happen. And personally, I don't have experience on this handling this kind of cases, so I can discuss only based on what is written here. So wrongful obtainment, if you can prove that is wrongfully obtained, so the patent, then what happens to that patent? So if the patent, if there is a patent which has been granted, and then I prove that this patent was granted by wrongfully obtaining those details, and I have not given the consent for this, and he has not mentioned my name, all those things, if you can prove, then what happened? Okay, so this is the scenario we're going to understand. So let us see. Section 26. In case of obtaining, controller may treat the patent as a patent of opponent. Very simple. So if I can prove that this patent was wrongfully obtained, then controller will treat this patent as not his but mine patent. Okay, so entire patent is mine now, not his patent. But it may happen that he did only some part, not the entire. One part was he wrongfully obtained, other part was his only. I mean, he was working on nickel catalyst, I was working on cobalt catalyst. He filed a patent combining nickel and cobalt both. So only the cobalt portion is something which he wrongfully obtained. So that has to be amended. He has to remove. So 26(1) says, as a result of post-grant opposition, if the patent is revoked under section 25(a)(2)(a), in case of wrongful obtainment, okay. So section 25(2) is for post-grant opposition, and A says in case of wrongful obtainment, the opponent may request to amend the patent in his name. Now it is proved that this patent was wrongfully obtained from me. Okay, then I need to put a request now. It is proved. So his patent is revoked. Okay, finished. That is finished. Then patent office will not automatically allow you the patent. It will not give you the patent. There's a process that you need to follow. So the opponent means I need to approach patent office and request to amend the patent in my name. I need to say. So what we need to do? Form 12, and which rule you need to refer, that is rule 63A. Time for making the request, it is 3 months the date of order of controller. So the date on which the controller is satisfied that it was wrongfully obtained, so that date is mentioned in the order, and from that within 3 months I need to fill form 12 and apply and request that patent should be in my name. And fee is 2,400 for natural small entity and 12,000 for a company. So if I am applying in the as a capacity of the company, as a corporate, big corporate, then I need to pay 12,000. And if I'm applying for in the capacity of a individual person or in the capacity of university or a small entity, I need to pay 2,400. Section 26(1)(b) said if only part was obtained, then controller may ask to exclude that part of invention. Okay, so this is what I said. What I said that I was working on cobalt, my friend was working on nickel, but a patent was filed by my friend, nickel and cobalt both together. But nickel is his experiment, cobalt is my experiment. Then I can ask to exclude cobalt. I can ask to exclude cobalt. Okay, so I just given here some timeline. Okay, so to understand section 26(2), okay, so let me read this here. So this is a opponent had filed application but is still pending. Okay, opponent has filed application but is still pending. Okay, and this is the date of publication of application. This is the date of publication of application, and this is the date of grant of patent. Okay, then after the grant, I can file post grant opposition here. Okay, and giving notice oppositions, form 7, fee 2,400 or 2,000 will be the case, and this is the completion of 12 months from the date of grant of patent. Okay, this is a completion of date of, so I need to file post grant opposition before 12 months of the grant of patent. So I need to file somewhere between here, and this is the date of decision of controller regarding post grant opposition. This is the date. So from this date, how much time we have? 3 months time period. Clear? So this is the way I'll just try to understand, try to tell you. The patent file a patentee will be considered to be filed by opponent for the portion wrongfully obtained for deciding priority date. The opponent will proceed further as per the Patent Act of the application. So what it says that now I file the patent. Okay, so what? So after decision, okay, so very long time has passed in this process. So I file patent somewhere here, but what will be the priority date? The priority date will be the same as a priority date when that application is filed. Although I am filing a patent after all this is happening, so I file it here somewhere, but the priority date will be the when that application was filed. Okay, the patent file a patentee will be considered to be filed by opponent for the portion wrongfully obtained for deciding priority date. So clear? Any doubt in this section, or it is clear? Please ask question if you have any doubt. Or if you want me to repeat, I can repeat that also.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. So it is very simple. So in case of obtainment, so in summary, what I can say that there is a patent is filed, and that is a post grant oppositions for the post grant oppositions, and it has decided that if I wrongfully obtained, then I can file Form 12, pay the fee within 3 months, within 3 months from the date of decisions of the controller, and then if the entire application was wrongfully obtained, then I can file. Then that entire application will be considered as if it was filed by me. And what is the date? Date is the same as when the application was filed. And if only some part was wrongfully obtained, then what happens? I can file application for that small part, and the priority date will be considered as when that patent was filed. So priority date is saved. So that is what it says. Okay, clear? Okay, so we'll move to section 28.